Abuzama kwa bamfam no tumfo ba TV plus so. Abuzia sese me no kasa expose bi Akosua. Expose ni ti awotwam nyina ne se Kwame despite me no kasa sisi no abuzia enye easy. Wabo modern se wode eye ne radio and TV station Peace FM abo modern de ama odo Bronii se obi opese obo odo Bronii bia no wo no na ne omekasa wo. Eno eya allegedly ensa team legal wife for can no say Peace FM and UTV OKFM nyina no omukasa e de mo do Bronii na despite na share chira sabi o yes ade no na ebusia eja omoto dia fosa nsem we no ensam keto maka bebre omoto bi e de amane Kwame despite am pese o kam kwaje nchemu no besisi
obi beto so no oni me social worker. Now when him say pain no ko bia ne problem or by or say before you can diagnose anybody prescribe any medicine no crampon you have to see the person first. You don't just diagnose, you don't just prescribe, you have to diagnose them. Some medication or the buy and most of the mental health medications, it comes with their own side effects. Some medication is for depression and generalized anxiety. It has a lot of side effects. So in pain school you try say let medication be the last resort. Now make us a comment section but na mentimi nya kwan ba ho. Yes, empire boy adwuma. Yes. Okay. And na edu baby a na nya empire bonko a. Also ko doctor. So minister abroche there. Some medications we no you need prescription. But unimo Africa unim. So unim ebia wo some medication no so crampo no and you say one and for all. So adwuma ma ema we na ye do to ba ko so na adwuma ma wa ebi a cha be 6 weeks those na enye adwuma biem no wasa akọ no wasa ya sa prescribe you no one na no den say ba ko no sa ye keep you changing the sa enye la eno your last resort. I will say you go through counseling and everything. So say into ya na o kan bia o lexapro aboawa and say Akosua so lexapro be betimi aboa. So side effects he say utimi nya diarrhea. So ebi o wuntimi na ebi so on ma woda pa the same medication sexual dysfunction etimi kwa na afedin pa kono onya what is it, suicidal thoughts no to why be so onkoko no me pa cha so tie me a nyese me disrespect na momo no the where it's coming from no one say bia you professional we a psychologist and also we social worker and also mental health professional one bibia no also back and say lexapro me boa me yes it me boa me there's a lot of anxiety medicine and a lot of depression medications. So untimi ma na unka say lexapro to me boa o call doctor who bisa. So abrocha no de no do na you need prescription. But what about Africa? So na even abrocha akran po ntimi nya doctors Ghana doctors ni bi wo no krampo na no akwa ko timi ko bisa. So ono so page ni siko betimi atra ma na okọ. So anyone na me pesa me beka to me pa chobe to me esimi no do before fresh.
Oh, very good contribution. You're right. Most people will not do it should not do it without prescription and appraisal from a doctor. I think you've done a very good. You're the second person mentioning the same thing, so it's okay. Right. I think the message has been well said. Right. At Jackson Napal, come and join us and let's have a discussion. Why? He wants us to come up. Why? It's nice.
If I show bet me see me why? Not for before
yourself actually. It's on automatic at the moment.
Okay.
Mr. Marcel, are you going to contribute or?
Whether it was only men that she studied. Didn't she study different types of women as well?
I answered you in the notes. We were actually talking about women and how women make that mistake, which is why I zeroed in on just a few types of men that can actually affect the way we women end up loving. Do you understand? Okay. And falling in love with a man's dream. And we don't see the signs until it's too late. So if you weren't with us from the beginning, this morning, mid-morning,
I didn't see that.
Yes. So yes, there's a lot. The whole thing covers a whole range of the type of person. Basically, that's why I ended up saying you need to know who you are, what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, and then when you meet your partner, you weigh and see if you can work with the person. What do you say?
Right.
But if you have some, counter, it will be good. Share it with us. Whatever you have to say, share with us. From a man's perspective, it will be good. Come, Kachi.
I got to the point. I mean, I just joined you at the time the woman was talking about different types of men. Yeah. All right, if you are the one, okay, that was the time, and I joined. So I was.
Can't you say tree? Speaking tree.
It's very bad. My cheese is very bad.
Okay. So is mine.
My cheese is very bad. That's right. Yeah. So.
Just or no part. Just an American Emma type of a mema yes. And I made sure to say, come on, ne bono. Nefa Emma ye end up abrabo a ye be sia ware a mema no suban a mudi di kire no e na me patre say e mema no ebinum wo no mo a said the ombetwiti no wo hu mpo se otesa be ho ana fe de wo dem na me che ne say ma ne mema wo asem ne eka but e mema nso so omo complain omo so betimi aye bisa why. Thank you, Jackson.
Okay, I've seen. Listening. I'll see. You can drop me, and then I'll just continue to follow.
You can drop yourself, and then it's on automatic. So I'm waiting for the lady to come in. The great our school prefect will come in up in a minute, or Tiwa will come in very soon. It's on automatic until you just help us. If you drop yourself, it will go.
Okay.
Is it you want to say something? You can talk.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Pacho, good afternoon, everyone. Me person can be big kakra about medication, no, and a few things are about up. Some medication, no, are very dangerous. Not dangerous as in. So we will be award depression there. It's okay. But my doctor recommended because and yes bema waye bibi foforo. And I dey am person stress on it na say. Ghana for ye nuanom mo Ghana no. Enyema bebre omonti ase kra ntina ma sa enyema we bebre no. I feel say ma Akosua or ye too much. Because the reason they say you can say we are akoto edro we say no more. Ghana for ntini ma bi asinti no atoni trim obeka akoto. But there's a lot of side effects on him. Me kai say recently me call one platform so em say Queenema de so na me say there ama ma Akosua semi nyina bias education. Enkrofo be brain ti ase one guy bi amene ne ye adwuma very learned pa ena ena maame no wanye ne ye maame na me to me butie no pa me wie na bisa nse ade enti na wo feel se maame na anye ye che se wo se oni na me chechre bibia mu kire na fe de o se ma menim se sanati o wahu enkrofo follow blindly Omo ti bibia no mama omo chance so no mo de nenam. No mo can say, no mo can say. It's about time ah. Yenyina yesua ade and I love the way ye church ye hono. It's about time we also have to voice out and educate other people no about niema ekoso. My emba into conclusion on one assem so we say yeah, okay. It's okay, but then no, it's not okay for some people. Enti mama yento yebo asem we say enra me name sister cry yakun because hey any girl no be your kuna ni bi obi say me to me bo me yedin na me hwe no na me pisa no few question me ba wedi 25 years me ba na catch me say why is he arguing with you? Because this is simple. Akola na tiase say well Ghana ye ni mema mre ye no maame no me over me be closer to your mommy age. And the na ye nim ne say o koto so papa that time ye papa no mo koye adwuma no mo de abefie enti no uni say o maame nso ni say oba because on no to aduane on no ye but this year no it's not like that. Uko school ame ba nso akọ school o ye adwuma no so ye adwuma o de ska befie ono so de ska befie enti when enso controlling na nyonko wahu enti no o ma dwin nyina ne se o lumba because o to nyu into this cabefie e na maame no aye te say o ka kra se maame ne na ma lumba be ye lumba they don't want to accept it. They don't because of ignorance. Wahu it is about time ye chira dia mama yin chire mu ye metimi akoto se edro no but said the na lady na ka no once I will be depression edro so no just like diabetes, it's just like high blood pressure. Ukoso pa. Yes, won't be in fisubio. Why yes a woo free so crown confo be broma ya addicted to near money is because of Sanya Maui. Ya man depression a draw. Or benum safu fiswana why ye bibi into intimate free so. Into your sremo. Ye shia dear aha. Me mami minimo be our but the love I have for this story now, me name say be one crofobia daching intino. And meeting a time be me bash cry na me person me kasa but some name do ana a keke me kakra. People are following blindly. And into omo ka bibia omo pe by entesa aha yesua de me ni and I'm a warrior check. By yet no me sua de pa and me bompa say ye nyina ye beti ase ama ye Ghana na ye wo na ware na ye wo no aye fefefe e de amaye manu esi me do bi ase bye bye.
Welcome to they take you over na be brewa.
Me pacho bunsi me why you know how I'm so
Tiwa, unmute yourself. Aka wache.
Na rere nkwan na enya amaso. Wache ne kopie.
Amaso. Mama fanchire we.
Wo bedi rere ni nya na wasanso nya wache.
E de let awaje na e fridge mera.
You know. Ya ti we so kro be ha madwini o.
The great I said that just say.
Me wan kra.
Baby I'm meeting baby or to me to find out is on for being said you can bomb.
Oh be ya kra ma rere nkwan no kra ma be ABCC a de atwumutu. Me wo banku bi nso kra ya bobo wu sukra egu ha sei.
Once this problem landing one of these days. Banku at the lapia.
David banku no ma sheda egu fia te se de omo yare no. Ana o ma bo apesi agina baabi na ebi nso si ebedi pizza. Na you say wo ka rere nkwan na wo di wachi no. Ya na baabi a wo na
well, ya me Germany.
Ana. Ube so mo kuma na. Oh. And he say I won't run na actually missing husband. Wow, Pebia and Befako. Oh.
Yeah, good.
Being question.
About you, it's hard.
Hey,
The bow abaso. I know ya. Koso na ye. Do biabe kabia menti. I'm for say. Obia me minima Akosua Serwaa. I thought that lady was the man's wife, right? Inti mi hu Miss Aluma na yongo. Obia hu but se wo yo obia yatete wo fia na wo ka no kra uti asama wo hu se entro ntro ehu no kra wa be hu se e ma me nim da e ampa na yere no nya da hu de ntia ni kra nja no hu de ntia omoda so ho wo ti ase nti wo ba be di no kra achi obia ntan obia wo wiase ade a Ghana from so sa nsem na ekoso no so no omunnim se maami we ogina ho fo obia se mo so ade we so na omu ye size surgical aware enim begu ase obia beba beja to mu se eye okay se obia boro obia warem etete abusuam na enkra enyom papa enchom odo enka obini Akosua Serwaa nka enne ni ma no omo jail omo nam street so omo prostitute because untimi nhwe ankra by yourself because them ana ye na dwen say ono kobo na dwaman na yas na ye ni de anafo maami we abandon ni kunu na abandon no I otini ni hu na so okoro akodi ne nyom ene ne ma ene na ya ase echi maame no ma papa na ka chen so omra enka obekọ
Abusia for me ti amoba me de asem bi na ebetu ani moba
obi hello.
Okay, me manin kasem wi ohun eno ma bi koso na ka me be yi wasutiri
I got work in my platform there you anyway.
Okay. Enti o ade we
oba Akosua boade inter ensem bi na wokeka na trend wo Instagram ni YouTube no. Say ye commentia
Sano mani nyina no distraction.
Distraction.
Uko school na so bi ya chiromade a. Uko school na chiromade a. Obia ni se ne oti ase.
Where did you da?
Yeah, sano mani nyina distraction omoye. Omo intimidate situation.
The first voice again.
Yeah, first voice again.
I didn't watch and try to him for so. I didn't know what now. I didn't be a castle, Mummy and Union.
Support you do what? Report number no. You be with your kind of play. Oh.
Okay, I know so ye. Matia, mammy. And when I'm so honest, so my member handbag.
Oh, men my when I
was distraction and not more.
Who can travel self platform?
That's it. A distraction and no more, no. Ukos kunia chawdia, a would send obiati adenase. It is no more a fan no more fan nancy. A mrano a baco pet. Uko quarter. yes, judge no on TSS say or Bawi or Nilumba Betnai and or Moye, Unim or Yahweh, or between cry jetting Pose or Areno. However, the law has to work. It be crampona or support it or do bunny as essence and rano. Yayan say, so I worry and the ordinance out, young Fabian Kahono. On person be losing alliances, Nyaka saw a judge Bonintino or Belcourt sending a manica. But it be an supporting that so or do bunny. What I say, yeah, the man a bay juma, because one man, money and man oko bunu for fra. Next time, because I say, we buy and we any saint, and you say, ah, sir. To be a cock to be a warrior, so no a quack say no, no a say bushia. It's them per se and ran any big guassington, a baby a dan honey the better. More say, a friend is saying, more can be say, a class Serwaa, and now one man, Virginia Kunu, and now ye or per body no on per body. The man it's a kawama, and then sa, a do baby, nipa, I saw respect for you. Yep, there's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. Yes. Exactly.
After the operation.
Yes. Oh, a do baby. Yes. Oh, right. What's I say? I Akosua, Unyankopon womb. Yes. Yeah.
So, yes. Lumba's Obel Crapuma. And never Kevin. And I say, and a young girl see. Ultimately, a bingo program.
Yeah. What's I say? It's a dinner costume. Unyame in Sawum. Uso nyamea. And I normal way also so. A do baby, nipa uchu so sanity over anything. And you say, you're the first one you crack for bar, and no. Kwa. And I feel what D, Satam no one D47, no. Now Lumba no 145, no. And also I could dinechi, echo chimpana, and yes, I echo kun and tokwaho. Obeya obebre to or choose and no me dino my way, me money life bear basa. It's a many bray. Na me man cray cuscu no muwe, na kojoa ya my bread. What's I say? Ono akopima obeba. What I say? Sa ayaresa ewo Ghana, ayaresa ewo Bronii semanka lumba wenhu. Ono di 60. Musma mene nyino di 62. 60 wager 62. Ko edu baby a onyame obo to twene because you too for wuntie. You too for wuntie.
61.
Yes, do baby and couple bow to train because you're too for winty. It's my meno, and yes, so abandon, Lumana abandon near anima. Nana, wouldn't my many Virginia, dear, must say I if on pefuno, and your tradition be a risk or yan respect back. You can so lose share in the name of this tradition. A yen more cry on ma, but your surgeon or beji. Sometimes you have to set a record for people to learn. Disrespect no Dawson. Won't say now be disgracing me. Now what's that disgracing me? It won't happen. She's fighting for all women, but more them for crunching. Or won't say and some more fighting or double. Kia can't on come. Obia or see or double now worry piano or see Lumba catch me and I met you. One casa and I was here. Mama was said, I know my can say no more honey or bayana. There was nobody, right? No behind the whole man could be. And to fact some mechanism on. There be the widow who writes about it on here. I say, you been or you better worry, I'm a funu or be enemy. I feel the award no. No any widow who writes. And yet our real was so the one on their cat. Oh, also fighting for property. But mutu say I saw Lumba tempted or boa or worry on so worry. Also fighting for property. Also fighting for property. But then senya any brea. I didn't know a man now buy and I'll bet twice or to a wound siano. One sad time now when you sank as a master or you're sure so I die, my certificate na mean show. Nothing call me ye. meboa wanye wo say no ma me nkran be nya property na set time na dru na se one fight for area na edu baby a nkran be nya property ho na edura and na person do mu be hyemu say ese won so so ye oyere onya oyere. You didn't fight for that one. You were fighting for case and I said edu baby a oyere na ba oni nkran no be share property but I say only disrespect of it all only be share space untimi ne share space enye eji ekunaye ne hia obi o ese maame no ono so retire no ono so ne ho to no osikanire eni 61 and 62 no onwa onye edwuma obabie no oti abrochi me ka che Ghana for obabie no oti abrochi ni kru me ka sa Akosua ya bre yenko tsena Ghana sese enye esika ewie eti efie betsa na menya house girls no mo me unin sister ukumi a music legend yanko tsena Ghana ene nkran be ko school akra ye beye obeka so onko da enye no kre wa invite no he made up an excuse me ko Ghana bibi draba. What's I say? There's nothing like okachen so me yanko no so onko da
enye no legend yedi and you do about YouTube.
Yes. Why Shatawali? Obian promoting in your Ghana. Shatawali Obian promoting in your Ghana. Also, more the Bamikan show or the social media and now yes, our legend or Bonuma or Coconut Obia Eba. One is now and you must say, my dear Chi.
That's Lumba. I said that the baby more now one drop. I actually
yes. See, Mao Bianca so abandoned.
But you want to say,
the Catherine Indiana only.
Yes.
Or that is the Catherine, no. And or that is the Bobo shows.
Yes.
And no problem. Nothing. Ebi ameka nwa ehye. Mami oyeniema. Just enye yakoma no.
Yes. Meka so be a musician for say. Omo Akosua Serwaa ko mu legend.
but you want to why?
Oyeniema door to door. Obeye 100 pound box no. Na niema na awuram na ebro 500 pounds.
Wow.
500 euros. Ene mu niema. Sadi ne niema. Ebe ko na de yonku ba ti wo na wodi o. Maame na mpaba. Size okuni nkomma. Sakofa obesi no so. Wana deba. Na wona wo medi. Enti na ge ni nimza maame ni be jimi sa akosi on. No nimza Akosua se wo be jimi sa akosi. Ni kuni man de ya we to won wade bi nka no. Do won hedu no mu. Wa hwe ni kuna manu o be ka che no be ko no. Se ni ku eda wade bi aka no eje se sum nanza.
Yes.
I from mo kwatna se ka asem no. E mi wan wa se yembisa abusha pere se mo se wo ware no a. Ade osum no. Yesu oba azania eni aware ebi aka. Ye pata oba, sorry. Ye pata oba oyire azania wadi bi aka no o mpena no osum no. Noko. Bautin beka jeza o densa ebai na yakofa ensa diaje bra any adjon Akosua Serwaa my divorce drink kwasiafo
Uyo bana ukunu bojama wo mpe a de se wo ye na se wo ye what you say because we wajin say oh enye hwe on say wasoso oba ne so ene bema ni we no anya audacity e person ni ma me e pre space so man no man no na chese no no mu ade o twen na fede wo hu se ma me ni nko pre space ont me ni ma me ni pre space me ni Akosua Serwaa me kona me Jimmy status ni wi a e fi na wutimi no is le gonfen e bia me fanya hwe but me tu e dia lesson
blocking see my private video blocking no yes me nim di omo power how blocking no
me block no
e tell no mutaba
ma block and account e kan wa me anza na
Me my block more than that. But I'm say baby I'm creative for Friday by.
Domo pe hu no mbe hu. Domo pe hu no ombe hu. Domo pe hu no ombe hu. There's so hu ne say nobody's interested in a tradition na kunayo but every baby I saw set a record don't say no me otiasin me lose no more way me lose me kunu me lose do I say me menya ni nyina and no wo I say me claim me bibia na me ko enye ye bi no bi hia so opeso ye no man aka say wa send legacy dada eka don person ye man na ye fe pa obi ani mu person say na ye ma me na ye obi afe o ye fa ni first street so obi ehu na you everybody was harmed for it but when we see that you did this to the woman na ye njai ye me support no ma enye ade omo ye no enye enti me no ma me na bia enti mo amre me wia na say me wo right say me 2 me 2 and o dey ma dey lesson na next time we three ba ono so anko akosi obi a ware sa
ohi mai omuni mo enyina o ma sheda lawyer no hwe ma me kan say mo cho omo lawyer won tell lawyer dem wo a court unya odi appearance fee eto no opo betumi atwetwe ansem nim say na odo Bronii mu betwa ne ka eto no lawyer no so ye de agini din enya so ye because girl ni wo attempt
and na mo ti na mo kan bofa kese na me ti German ma me
asem we esida
so onya ne ho no nko mama no oba be che level o che senior pa wo ya wa de do baby a be metiti wa me ha wo ho wo be dan sa baby na show ma na show wo ho o ti ase ba mo ware no me nyanso for no mo support Akosua Serwaa o because omo mama ni bi na abroche for mo ti wa na mo se an abroche for depressed anya no cry abroche ni bi anya depressed so
asem we no cry ni da wo pete
depression and say una ti atechima kodwuma koton ade but then how obi anya sa no but the man no mo support mama Akosua Serwaa ye nim ne da no because say obi ani se ne tie opeso o da passos na wo kwa adwuma
na Frida kwa campaign no ka say ohima Frida kwa campaign no ka say maame no oni lumba de na wo montam no was business
business say business na time do say you signing off the contract into how she want to explain it bia onye won onka what you say
ela me ka say business there and the business law ebebem.
Yes. What I say?
Investment. Obejini investment or investing na. We are sana. They are kanomansa chemu 50-50.
Most of these people no. Omuye. Common enemy.
Yeah, Mary.
We say in some no wuti bi kura na wadwene kura ya ase. In some no. Sa wuti bia na abuo fuya obati wa. Hello. Baba. Na mo what to say? Baba. You.
Mandare. Okay. Uko gara.
Da bi mi nyanko e.
Check akra. Ma wano.
Me kwaya ne ma ne ma bi. Wahu. Se we nyame a na wa boni dua menawu.
Nyame ankasa boni dua dada. Yes.
On fam ponchi. Emu manu obi asa. Me say abroche for ma mo ya me